I've had help today replacing that sump pump with this DeWalt model. It's been a particularly intense process. There was sediment in my sump pump pit, and that, to say the least, that really affected the sump pump and had to be cleaned up before it could be set up. I was just going to show one cycle of it running. It really gets full, as in completely full, before the pump starts up. So I'm just filling it with the garden hose. You can see that in the bottom left of the pit. The furnace is turned on beside the camera, so you're probably hearing it as well right now. So that's the cycle that runs on it. I wanted to point out one other feature that I've had set up on here, or two features. So right there, that's the one-way check valve. So there's a little flap in there that prevents water from falling back down into the sump pump pit by means of gravity. And then what I also wanted to point out is right there is what's called a union, meaning the pump can be separated right there and the top stays connected, so it'll be easy changing the pump in the future. And right there is my clean out valve, so if there does get to be dirt in the pipe, it's easy to change without ripping everything apart.